So there is nothing worse than trying to cook when you have horrible kitchen equipment. There is really something to having the right tool for the job. And if you have not been cooking at home and you're trying to do it a little more often and you hate it and you don't have decent equipment, why don't you put something under the tree for yourself? So I want to show you some resources that I have. If you go to my website, realfoodmatters.net, and you go over under resources, you'll see shopping. And you can go, some of this is affiliate links. These products that I really like and recommend have affiliates. You can scroll through past those. And I have kind of have an Amazon store. This is also an affiliate account that makes me zero money. Mostly what I have it for is so that I can recommend things that I use or products that I really like. So you don't have all that decision-making fatigue. So what I want to point you towards is kitchen equipment, because I was just talking to a client yesterday who just leveled up and bought himself some good pots and pans and good knives. And it makes such a big difference. So you can look through here, but I'm gonna take you through, like, these are for making sprouts, storage, kitchen storage, blah, blah, blah. So some of this is really inexpensive, but can still make a big difference. For example, oh my goodness, having a good vegetable peeler. I like the OXO brands of things. If you just have an old peeler that's not sharp, it's going to be hard to use. One. Two, if you get the one that just has the metal handle, it hurts your hand. So at the very least, this OXO one has a wider rubber grip that's easier to use. If you have a lot of pain in your hands, I should find one that have a bigger grip that's easier on your body. So it's $13 and it makes a big difference. A good whisk. These OXO brands are really excellent. They have I love their tongs. Like, tongs are really important. I have 3 pair of these things. You might also want to get yourself one of these manual little choppers, especially if you have chronic pain and using a knife is hard for you. Get one of these to chop things up, even one of these vegetable sharpers. But higher ticket items that make a big difference is getting an electric knife sharpener. I share one of these with my mother. Having properly sharpened knives makes doing your vegetable prep work actually fun, because everything works so much better. I love the Chef's Choice, and I always have a honing steel down here, this Henkel's honing steel. I use that almost every time I cook. I start off honing my knives. They work way better. I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a little video class on that because I've taught knife skills a lot. Also, if you have crappy saucepans and you burn everything, get a better saucepan. And you don't have to buy a whole kit. I like the mid-range Cuisinart triple ply ones, not the multi-clad. They are actually very nice, but they're also very expensive. You can go one step down, still get really good quality without spending a lot of money. And I like these 2 and 3 quart and 4 quart saucepans. Everyone should have half sheet pans. Everyone should have at least 3 of those. I think I have 5 of them. I love them for everything. I have a good salad spinner. If you like, get a good salad spinner. It means you'll make salads. It's great for washing all sorts of things. If you have a flat cheese grater and you like doing what I do, which is grating your vegetables for salads, get a box grater that stands up. I mean, it's so much easier. $15, it's going to make your life so much better. A good cast iron pot, $400. You might be able to find one of these on sale. It'll last you the rest of your life. You'll pan this down to your children. Good pre-seasoned cast iron skillets, some good nonstick skillets. These are my 2 rice cookers that I love, that I also cook oatmeal in, a hand blender, and finally, knives. You guys, this is a chef's knife that is in every single commercial kitchen. It is $40. It sharpens well. It handles well. If you don't have a good knife, get this for yourself. You don't have to buy a whole set. You just need one of these chef's knives, a good serrated knife like the one from Cutco that will last you the rest of your life, and it has a guarantee. You could keep sending it back to them for repairs. And a good pair of kitchen shears from Cutco. Like, those 3 things will set you up for 90% of your cooking. And then you just need to get yourself a decent paring knife or 2 and you're set. So go through this list and get yourself some good kitchen equipment, and it will make your work so much easier. All right, that's it. Enjoy the holidays, and I hope you get to unwrap something to yourself and from yourself for Christmas.